Are you tired of dragging around heavy vacuums and getting tangled in cords? Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning routines and hello to the Shark Navigator Freestyle Upright Cordless Vacuum. This sleek and powerful vacuum offers unparalleled convenience and performance, making it the perfect cleaning companion for every home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Superior cleaning performance. The Shark Navigator Freestyle is designed to deliver superior cleaning performance on all types of surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors. Equipped with a powerful motorized brush and advanced swivel steering, this vacuum effortlessly lifts embedded dirt and pet hair, leaving your floors spotless and fresh. Lightweight and portable design. Weighing in at just 7.5 pounds, the Shark Navigator Freestyle is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups and everyday use. Its cordless design allows you to clean from room to room without being tethered to a power outlet, giving you the freedom to tackle messes wherever they may be. Extended runtime and XL dust cup capacity. With an extended runtime and an extra-large dust cup capacity, the Shark Navigator Freestyle ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions and fewer trips to the trash can. The 64-quart dust cup holds more dirt and debris, so you can clean more and empty less, saving you time and effort. Premium pet hair pickup. Are you a pet owner struggling to keep your home clean? The Shark Navigator Freestyle is here to help. With its 2-speed brush roll optimized for carpet and hard floors, this vacuum provides premium pet hair pickup throughout your home, leaving your floors looking and smelling fresh. Precision charging and easy maintenance. Forget about messy cords and complicated charging stations. The Shark Navigator Freestyle features precision charging technology, with the charger doubling as a convenient storage block. Plus, with an easy-to-empty dust cup design, maintaining your vacuum has never been easier. In conclusion, the Shark Navigator Freestyle Upright Cordless Vacuum is the ultimate cleaning solution for busy households. With its lightweight design, powerful suction, and pet-friendly features, this vacuum offers unmatched convenience and performance. Say goodbye to bulky vacuums and hello to hassle-free cleaning with the Shark Navigator Freestyle. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.